At our company, we're revolutionizing recycling, transforming retired aircraft and sustainable.
Hydraulic line disconnected, pressure holding steady.
Copy that. Proceeding with avionics check.
Fuel draining is complete, sealing the container now. Disconnecting hydraulic line 3, pressure is venting now.
Copy that, B. Confirm depressurize before proceeding.
This one is good for reuse.
Okay, logging it now. Make sure the connector caps are secure.
This section is clear now.
Okay, I'll take this panel.
Safety and environmental responsibility are paramount throughout the decommissioning process.
Does this one go in reuse?
Yes, the green bin.
Yeah.
We need to secure that strut before the next cycle.
Already logged the adjustment. The crane is ready.
It's handling the composites well, but let's monitor the intake speed.
Agreed. The aluminum separation rate is impressive today.
The robotic arm is prioritizing the titanium alloy separation here.
Good. We need those components ready for the next shift.
Every product undergoes strict quality control to meet industry standards. Make sure the component is secured before the welding sequence starts.
It's locked in. The precision on this machine is incredible.
Every product undergoes rigorous quality control to meet the highest standards.
Make sure the structural integrity of the chassis meets the new standard.
Already checked. The bonding process is flawless.
Every product undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure safety and performance.
The voltage is slightly high on channel 3.
Let me adjust the trim pot. How does that look?
Perfect, right in the center.
that tight to the wall. Bay 3 is clear. All right, this one's strapped. Send the next one down.
At the heart of innovation, aircraft scrap is reborn into valuable components, powering industries worldwide.
We need to adjust the torque settings on the next batch.
I'll update the parameters now.
Every product undergoes strict quality assurance to meet industry standards.
Efficient logistics ensure timely delivery to customers worldwide. From wings to wealth, we transform aircraft scrap into the building blocks of tomorrow's innovations.
These parts are built to aerospace standards, incredibly.
At the forefront of technology, recycled aviation scrap fuels advanced engineering innovations.
Collaboration drives innovation, turning scrap into cutting-edge technology.
Rigorous testing guarantees reliability and excellence in every component.
Every product meets stringent industry certifications for safety and performance.
In the heart of the boneyard, retired giants await their transformation into the building blocks of tomorrow. In the heart of the boneyard, retired giants await their transformation into the building blocks of tomorrow. Advanced separation technologies ensure efficient recovery of valuable materials.
Safety is paramount in handling these massive machines and materials.
Strict environmental controls ensure sustainable operations throughout the crushing process.
Witness the journey as majestic aircraft return to Earth, beginning their transformation.
The module is secured. Confirmed. Checklist complete for Sector 7. We are clear.
Every product meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Every product meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Collaboration drives continuous innovation in aircraft recycling. From sky to factory, aircraft recycling redefines sustainability and innovation for a better tomorrow. Welcome to the Revolution Camden, where old aircraft meet cutting-edge technology.
Virtual reality enhances training and innovation in recycling processes.
If we adjust the feeder tray here, we can optimize the cycle time.
Good idea. The cobot handles the transition smoothly.
Advanced recovery systems maximize material reuse and minimize environmental impact.
Collaboration drives progress in the aircraft scrap revolution. At your company name, we turn retired aircraft into tomorrow's innovations, combining cutting-edge technology with